Hi guys, I'm Lisa with PreserveThePresent.com, and I'm here to show you how to put on a pocket cloth diaper that has snaps. I've been cloth diapering my babies for about 4 years total now, and I love pocket diapers with snaps, the very best of all. And I will try to put some links in the description of the brands that I have, but I do have a very wide variety of brands because I've bought pre-loved or used diapers on my local Facebook auction group, and I just ended up with a whole bunch of random different brands, and some of them aren't even labeled. So I do the best with what I have, but I've come to understand that snap pocket diapers have basically the same concept among all of them, and it's pretty easy to get, but this video will show you how it works. Okay, so you by now know how to assemble your pocket diaper, but how do you put it on your baby? So I'm going to show you how to do that, and I don't really want to show you with my baby. She's asleep, but also it wouldn't work very well, and I don't want to show her parts on the internet, you know. So I'm going to use this doll, which is the closest thing to a real life baby doll size that I have. I realize this is not a baby at all. Oh my goodness, but it's pretty close to the length of a real baby, so I'm just going to use this to show you, so forgive me the awkwardness of that. But this is how you're going to put this pocket diaper on your baby. If you have the kind that have snaps, you're going to snap it. Some are made with Velcro, but I prefer the snaps because they don't wear out as easily. But you're just going to lay your baby down like you would any diaper and lift up their legs, put the diaper underneath, and then bring it over. And I already have these fitted to my baby's thigh size, so you can adjust that as your baby grows. You can undo them all if they're bigger, or you can snap it this far down if they're smaller. But then you're just gonna snap one side and leave a little bit of slack, and then do the other side. As far as you want to go closed on your baby, you don't want to go too tight. You want to leave a little bit of room so they can move around, you know. But then down here are some more snaps. There's a second row. This is the row that I already snapped, and then there's a second row, and that's what this one is for, is just to tighten up that thigh. And your baby's thigh is going to be a lot thicker than this one, but it'll also keep this from just sliding out as they move around. As they get a lot more mobile, that will definitely happen, so you want to secure it with these little snaps right here. And you don't want to have any gap here on the thigh when your baby's thighs are in there, because then whatever goes into the diaper could come out the sides, and you really don't want that. So try to get that pretty close on their skin, but obviously not tight enough to make deep marks. So that's how you put it on, and you just take it off as simply as it makes sense. So yep, that's how you put on a snap-on pocket diaper.